Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe on how to make chicken tikka momos, which is a street specialty in North and Northeast India. And I'm serving these momos with red chili chutney. It's an amazing combination. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make momos. Let's prepare dough for momos. Into a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, quarter teaspoon of salt, and add water as required to knead a semi-stiff dough. Once you get a smooth dough, cover and rest it for 15 to 30 minutes. Ingredients for chicken tikka filling. Here I have got 300 grams of ground chicken. To that I am adding 1 onion finely chopped, 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of mango powder, and half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Combine all these ingredients well. Finally, add a tablespoon of oil and give a nice mix. Make a well in the center and place a small bowl or a tin foil. Place the live charcoal and pour a few drops of ghee. Cover and smoke it for 5 minutes to get that smoky effect. Dough is nice and smooth. Divide the dough into small portions. Dust some dry flour on the working surface and roll it out thin. Especially for momos, the dough should be very thin. That's when you get a soft momo. You must roll the dough nice and thin like this. This is how it should be. Now let's remove the foil and the charcoal. Give the mixture a nice mix. Place a spoonful of chicken filling mixture in the center. Let's shape the momo. Pinch the edge of the momo sheet like this and start gathering pleats. And move along the edges till you make all the pleats. Now these momos are ready to be steamed. Into a pan or a cooker, or you can use a vessel also, add some water, place a stand to keep the steamer on top. Now let's steam the momos. I'm using bamboo steamer. You can use idli steamer also. I placed a banana leaf inside. If it's not available, you can also use parchment sheet and apply some oil. We are going to cook these momos on high flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once they are done, they look shiny. That's how you know the momos are perfectly done. Ingredients to make red chili chutney for momos. Here I have got 2 tomatoes, 4 Kashmiri chilies and 6 red chilies. I'm adding Kashmiri chili to get that nice red color. Add some water and put this in the microwave for 5 minutes. Tomatoes are nice and mushy. Now let's blend this into a fine puree. Into a pan, add a tablespoon of oil. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger and 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onion. Fry this for a while. Now let's add the tomato and red chili paste to it. Give a mix. A tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of ketchup and a teaspoon of salt. Give all this a nice mix. Cover and let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Chutney is done. You can see the oil on the sides of the pan. Chicken tikka momos with red chili chutney is ready to be served. Instead of chutney, you can also serve with ketchup, mayonnaise or any other dip. It's so delicious. Chicken tikka with that smoky flavor is amazing. Do give this a try and share this recipe with your family and friends. Also share your thoughts and your suggestions about this recipe in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.